We're Be Clothed. We've been able to reimagine what clean and comfortable clothing is all about with the help of all of our customers. And in case you missed it, the answer is silver. Meet the all-new Silver Pillow. Taking comfort to new heights, one sleep at a time. Our breathable, super soft pillow is designed to keep you cool and clean, whilst keeping your posture in check. Our hypoallergenic cloud core base bounces back every time, giving your neck just the right support and still allowing you to drift away. You see, people often change out their pillowcases but pay little attention to what's happening underneath. Does this look familiar? Woven in on the outer layer is an antibacterial, antimicrobial silver mesh that protects the base and your face from germs, viruses, and other disease organisms. Using silver also helps with temperature modulation, keeping the main side of the pillow the cool side of the pillow. Built with comfort in mind at each level, starting with our signature cloud core, the base is formed with an array of holes, making it breathable and clean. Next, the foam base is encased in a protective lining that flexes with the contours of the pillow. And finally, the entire core is wrapped in a case of super soft cotton and clean silver, a blend we've mastered on a ton of other loungewear. We know just how important a pillow is for posture and sleep quality. We knew that this pillow not only needed to be clean, but orthopedic too. The design features an asymmetric curvature that perfectly conforms to the arc of your neck, which encourages your spine to stay straight, relieving the risk of unwanted pressure or strain from sleeping at odd angles. It's time to say goodbye to the old. The silver pillow is our way of elevating your day by saving your night. Make your next sleep cleaner, comfier, and much more restful with Be Clothed.